We are honored, thrilled, and privileged to have you with us, Sanya. And before I begin, big congratulations for your outstanding performances, Dangal, Badhai Ho, Sam Bahadur, and of course now Mrs., which is finding its way to the Australian premiere in the Indian Film Festivals in Melbourne in August 24. So big round of applause for that. So we are really honored. You do India proud.
Thank you.
We have spoken, and my first question is to you. Simply put, life is not as simple as it was, say, 10 years back, or even 15 or 20 years back. Today is fast-paced, we have erratic work schedules, we have erratic sleep cycles, poor nutrition, sedentary lifestyle, lack of sleep, we have pollution, and even stress. And all of this has actually taken toll on the gut. The gut is very negatively impacted. During COVID, we also recognized the importance of the gut because, there was a lot of buzzword around immunity. And we realized that one way of boosting your immunity was also by keeping your gut healthy, especially because 70% of the body's immune system is located in the gut. So what are your measures to keep the gut healthy, Sanya?
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for coming. And thank you, Yakul. I'm really looking forward to our collaboration. I love the brand and I use the product since I was a kid. A few things that I do to keep my gut healthy and my health healthy is I eat a lot of vegetables. I eat a lot of fruits. Have a very active lifestyle. I work out. I play tennis. So I'm quite active that way, and I eat a lot of healthy food, like a lot of home cooked food. And also, okay, I've lost the train of thoughts.
Balanced diet, basically.
Yeah, a lot of balance in my diet, and sleep is crucial for me. So the days when I don't sleep properly, whether it's because of a shoot or if I'm traveling, I can see a direct impact on my gut. Like those are the days when I feel like, okay, I can feel it, my gut isn't that happy today.
Okay.
But I'm so glad that a lot of people are talking about how important gut health is, because everything is linked to our gut. Not only our physical health, but also our mental health. The days when I'm not feeling top notch, I know there's something going on in my gut. If I'm now nervous, again, I can feel it in my gut. The days when I'm like, okay, I have a gut feeling that this is going to be good. So you can see, we say it often like we have gut feeling, but it's a sign itself that everything is linked to a happy gut.
That's nice. So that's the brain talking to the gut.
Right.
Coming to you, Manu-san, in India, it's always been about the heart, liver, kidney, diabetes, cancer. And the gut, which is central to all of this, has been highly neglected. How do you think in the last 17 years, the Indian consumer has taken to gut health?
Okay, recently the awareness of the gut has been growing, and also the people are recognizing that the benefits of the probiotics and the gut is that improve digestion, build immunity. Those people thinking it's very important in the daily life.
So gut health is becoming quite important even in India today. So now when I talk about the gut is incomplete without what we know now, what we call as bacteria. Well, bacteria was believed to be harmful, cause disease, but today we know that we have 100 trillion bacteria in the gut. They weigh almost 2 kilograms, and we have the good, the bad, and the ugly. It is the good bacteria in the gut which are probiotic, and they are the ones which help in digestion of food to break it into smaller particles for better absorption of nutrients. These bacteria also play a very important role in building your immunity. They can actually influence insulin resistance and metabolic disorders, and now we know that they are linked to mental health. So how were you introduced to the concept of probiotics, and have you been including probiotics as a part of your diet?
Yes, since childhood I've been having Yakult the original one, and now sometimes I have the light, which is the blue Yakult bottle. Love the mango one too, because mango is one of my favorite fruits. In fact, as I said, like on really stressful and chaotic shoot schedules, I make sure that my fridge is stocked with Yakult, and especially in my vanity van, because even my team is obsessed with Yakult. We are not kidding. Like, I think I kind of manifested this collaboration with the brand because I was shooting for Jawan. This is 2 years back, and I made a reel with Yakult bottle. That is kind of my morning routine, to have Yakult, and especially on shoots. So we buy that, we stock up our fridge with it, and I've seen a great difference whenever I'm quite mindful about what's going on in my gut now. I wasn't like a few years back. And I was kind of oblivious to, Acha, why am I feeling like this? And now I know that a lot of things is linked with how and what you're feeling. And how it manifests into like good health or bad mood swings or good feelings. I think it's all interlinked.
To the gut.
Yeah.
So since when have you been consuming Yakult?
Since I was a kid.
Yeah,
In school,
really?
I used to have Yakult.
Oh.
As I said, I have switched to the Yakult Light, which has less sugar, and I'll be incorporating the mango one too, because it's one of my favorites. Yeah, and I also have achar. It has a lot of probiotics in it. So anything that like is really good for the gut, I make sure that I incorporate in my lunch or my dinner and my meals.
So fermented foods and then probiotics.
Yes.
Okay, great. So nice to know that you've been introduced to Yakult, I think, forever now.
And also I've lived in Japan.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I've lived in Japan for almost 2 years. My father used to work there, so
Oh,
I've
really?
spent a really good chunk of my childhood in Japan.
Oh.
And that is one of the reasons I was introduced to
Wow.
Yakult. And
Lovely.
there's also a product that you only get in Thailand, which is a big bottle of Yakult.
Yes.
Like, we don't get that in India. We only have the tiny ones. But I also, whenever I travel, I make sure that I buy the big bottle
Big
of
bottle of Yakult.
because I don't, I end up having like more than 2.
You can actually.
Yes, that's it, right?
So Manu-san, what was the idea? Of course, we have Yakult Light, and now Yakult Mango flavor. But what was the real objective of introducing a flavor, to the probiotic?
Yes, actually, that I strongly believe that the benefits of the things, the efficacy and the benefits of probiotics, and we like to have the opportunity to consume Yakult, taking the lactobacillus caseistrains throughout as many as people, so that the mango flavor is the one of the very good option to expand this great product to the more people in India.
Set. I
From
think
the
I kind
Javans.
of also became one of the Yakult dealers on my set for all my co-actors, because our fridge used to be stocked with Yakult.
Yakult.
Yeah. Kitesh, Natasha, where are they now? I can't spot them. Oh, they're there.
We all have a
yeah,
bottle of Yakult
every day on set, and it was kind of a hectic set for us. I was traveling a lot during that time, and we were shooting in Chennai, and we used to shoot for like 14-15 hours a day. And some days I used to be in another city, come back to Chennai and shoot for this film. It was a very stressful time, but I made sure that I was taking good care of my gut, and I was
Gut.
having Yakult almost every day. And also I saw a huge difference in my skin.
Yeah. We can
Uh,
see that.
Yeah,
You are
I
such
can
a
see
glowing
that
skin.
too on you, doctor.
We
On
can
all
see-
of us. Like, our skin is like quite good. All 3 of us have like really good skin and
Reflecting our
hair.
inner health.
Yeah. So that really reflected, and yeah, I used to like supply Yakult on set to all my other co-actors as well, and my team.
Yeah, and I think the stress today in India, given our lifestyle and the incidence of non-communicable diseases, the stress is eating right, eating healthy.
And I didn't know about this study that was done in Japan, but I totally agree with it now, because I felt a huge difference. I think it used to really calm me down. that kind of became my morning ritual to have Yakult. But it could be one of the reasons I felt relaxed on set and during that time when I.
We just disclose only the number of bottles. You can calculate multiple.
That's will take me a long time. And you're betting big on India, and you also launched the mango flavor for the Indian market. So how do you see yourself growing here in terms of numbers of bottles only? If you have to see yourself 5 years later, so how many bottles do you plan to sell in a day?
We cannot tell you that much, but yes, definitely, the India market is very growing, very big market, and also the probiotics now awareness is growing, so that we are expecting high growth in the market. Yes.
Thank you.